The Boy and the Small Lamp. There was a boy named Ravi. He lived in a small village. Ravi wanted to study and become successful, but his house had no electricity at night. Every evening, Ravi used a small oil lamp to study. The lamp gave only a little light. One day, Ravi felt sad. He thought, "This small lamp is not enough. I cannot study well." His mother came and said, "Light is light. Even a small lamp can remove darkness. Use what you have." Ravi thought about her words. He decided not to complain. Every night, he studied with the small lamp. He read slowly and carefully. Days passed. Months passed. Years passed. Ravi worked hard every day. One day, he passed a big exam. He got a good job in the city. People asked him, "How did you study without electricity?" Ravi smiled and said, "I did not wait for a big light. I used the small light I had." Moral: don't wait for perfect conditions. Start with what you have.